So for a crispy lining, we first want to start here at the top. Let's locate the highest point right here at the top. With my Rebel trimmer, right here at the top of the temple peak area. I'm gonna separate the beard. So essentially this is gonna be all that we're gonna bald out. That was my soft trimmer. This is my sharper trimmer. So I go right underneath that. And with my shaver, we're not gonna go all the way up. We're just gonna make sure it balds out. Flicking out towards maybe about like 90% of the area, we're just gonna start flicking up. The first step of trimming and fading our beard is gonna be to fade the beard, line it up, and then detail it. So for this first step, lever open. We're gonna go about a finger's width right here. With our trimmer, we're just gonna go ahead and just soften the line a little bit. Sometimes it creates a hard line and we wanna make sure that we blend out that first line. Next, with the lever closed, we're gonna hit the beginning of the line and gradually open our lever as we work that guideline. It's 3/4 open. Once it's like 3/4 open, we want to almost hit the top of the line. Open it all the way. And if you guys have to just reverse the process again, just go back and forth. I like doing it about 2 times and then I stop and move on to the next step. Attaching our one guard, lever open, a finger, above again. We have that line. Don't panic, it's gonna take 2 steps to blend it out. Same process again, close it and gradually open. Half guard, that line right there. We're gonna do the same thing, closing it and gradually opening it. Just make sure you guys don't go all the way up. This is kind of a tricky step, but imagine that one guard lever open and you guys are just going midway. So you guys aren't going all the way up when the lever is open using the half guard. Let's repeat the process with the 1.5 guard. We're gonna go above that one guard lever open that we just finished blending. So let's close it. Next, we want to go ahead and line it up real quick, just around the edges. So for a crispy lining, we first want to start here at the top. That's in place. Next, let's turn our client. Turn more, bro. Let's locate the highest point right here at the top. Which blow bubble here, bro? Right here. Now we have that connection right there.